Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Moxie Pest control. So, what you want to do, it's pretty simple, but before I show you how to do it, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So, to cancel
Hello
it,
everybody, and this is Umar.
first you must review your contract with them before you begin the cancellation process. If you read and understand the small print, especially the cancellation policy, everything will go much more smoothly. So there's an online cancellation option. So you may have an online cancellation option for customers who would rather use a digital method, and you just need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Or you can just get in touch with their support to cancel your appointment. So just go to their website, go to contact at the top, and then fulfill your information here and then just send them a message. And that's it.
Simple.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.